Through a game of Cashflow. Teacher salary starting at $3,000, $400 in savings. Okay. What? Okay, expenses. $2,130. That's what we need to get to. So I'm gonna try to flip a couple things and get out of the race real quick. I'm not gonna do the outer part of the race, just so you know. 20 acres, not good. Baby. Okay, so now that went up $180, so now we're at 23.1. Let's turn that down. Sorry about that. All right, small deal. Ooh, nice. Okay. Bank foreclosed, 0 down payment. Little bit of cash flow, $100. So that's good to know. I'm not going to trade any stocks like this. The 3-to-1 return, it's not really worth your time. Better to keep the cash than to, try to do that. I usually avoid that. So this is rare. So I would have done 4-to-1 if I'd bought that, but still, if I put 1,000 in, it's only $4,000. That's not much. You can do a little bit better in the game. I like to buy the stocks at around 5. Whatever it is you're buying, you get a good price on. Stocks are up. Okay, we're gonna donate. See if we can get around a little quicker. Pay for daughter's wedding, $2,000. That's cheap. Cheap daughter. Okay, see, if you bought this at 5 to 40, that's a better return than 10 to 40. All right. Small deal. Nothing. REITs. Okay. I like to keep on hand at least what my total expenses are in cash in case I get downsized. So that way I don't have to take out a loan to pay for that. So like right now, if I got downsized, the next turn I would be okay. All right, so here we go. This is the top. If you get offered this in the game at 135, that's as high as they sell for. So take it every time. 85,000. So now I got 90,000 in the bank. So I could do two things. I could get rid of all of my debt, which is only going to be the mortgage, like $800 off of what I need to get, or I could just buy big deals. $200,000 down. All right, someone asked me about this. So I have 90,000, 92,000. So that means I would need 108,000 more. So the cash flow from this will finance 110,000. So is that going to work? Or am I going to go negative cash flow if I bought this? That would put me about, I might have just enough because my paycheck might actually cover this, but I don't know if I want to take that risk. That'll bring my cash flow way, way, way down. So, I don't want to pass. The purpose is I could buy this, but if I buy it, then I'll have it. But then the only way to get out of the rat race would be to sell it and then buy something else. So it would also bring my expenses from 2,000 way up because I have to take a massive loan. Well, I wouldn't have to take a massive loan, like 8,000, maybe a little bit. But then I'd be making $10 a week. So that sucks. So I'll try a different one. 40, 950, not the best return, but an 8plex. These usually sell for 35,000 a unit, so I'll buy it. And I still got 50 grand. Okay. Oh, apartments, no. Another big deal. There we go, I'm out. Bye. And I beat the game. That's it. You do a flip in the game. Sometimes it's better to just flip a couple things and buy an expensive business than to pay off all your debt and then buy a few small things. You could do it either way. I'll do that another time. But this way, I like to do a couple flips and then handle that. See you in the next video. It's on the screen.